All right, my name is Henry Wadley. I'm from Fairbanks. I heard from my nephew down in Kodiak about this Jiffy knee procedure. And I had the old procedure done 4.5 years ago. And it took me 6 months to get a 120-degree bend in it. And this one I had done 7 weeks ago. And 2 weeks ago they measured me and I was at a 131-degree bend and 0 on the flatness. And it's just so much better. I recommend Dr. Sparks and Alaska Fracture Orthopedic Clinic wholeheartedly.
And how was your pain after surgery?
Oh, the pain is, I took 2 pills a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night, and about a week and a half out, I quit taking them all together. I take a Tylenol every once in a while after that, but I haven't had any of those in a while.
And how's physical therapy in Fairbanks?
Oh, therapy, I'm way ahead of them up there. They don't even know what to do with me because they've never seen this procedure before, so they just keep coming up with new exercises all the time. And they actually are cutting me back to 2 days a week. I was going 3 days, and they're going to start cutting me back to 2 days a week. And I don't know how much longer that's going to last. Probably 3 weeks, that'd be about it.
So compared to your other side, the Jiffy knee is, you'd say is a lot better? Or?
Oh, 100% better. It took me forever to get that bend into it and get the soreness out of it. And this one, there's no soreness when I'm sitting here like this.
Great. And you flew back to Fairbanks 2 days after surgery?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, no, 4 days. I stayed around just to make sure I didn't have an infection.
Okay. Sounds great. Well, thanks for coming down.
Thank you. Thank you.